Today's Southwest veggie breakfast burritos recipe is one that I am super excited to share with you because A, breakfast burritos, and B, they take like 5 minutes to make with the amazing Taco Tuesday leftovers. If you missed the video where we made Southwestern tacos with those roasted veggies and creamy Cotija cheese, yep, that one. Well, today I'm gonna show you how I stretch those leftovers from that taco night and reinvent them into one epic breakfast burrito. Should I mention that if you love tacos, and I hope you do, I have an entire Taco Tuesday playlist that you're definitely gonna wanna check out. I'm also releasing a new Taco Tuesday recipe every single Tuesday for a year as I cook my way through all 52 recipes inside the Taco Tuesday cookbook. So if you want a fresh new taco recipe every single week, make sure to click on that red subscribe button. Now, for these breakfast burritos, I'm gonna start by cracking the eggs into a large bowl and giving them a good whisk. Next, in a large skillet, I'm gonna heat my oil over medium-high heat. I add the eggs and scramble. While the eggs are cooking, I'm gonna heat up my veggies in the microwave, or you could do it on a skillet. And next, you'll wanna warm up your flour tortillas. Whether you warm them up on the skillet or in the microwave, warming up a tortilla makes them more pliable, and when it comes to burritos, you don't want them to burst out. So, let's scoop some of the egg and veggie mixture onto the tortilla, top it with some cheese, salsa, and sour cream. Okay, here comes the tricky part where we fold. As you can see, I totally overstuffed my burritos, so folding is not my strength. There is a technique in folding a burrito though. Just fold it over, fold in the sides, and roll. And just like that, we have a burrito. Let's slice this right in half so you can check it out. Look, the veggies, the scramble, the cheese, and everything I love inside my tacos in a burrito. You guys, this right here is no joke. It's the perfect breakfast for dinner or a solid weekend breakfast. The best part is that you can make a bunch of these and freeze them. Wrap them in parchment paper and stick them in a zip bag. And they're in the freezer for up to 3 months. To eat, you simply thaw, warm, and enjoy. What are your favorite things to stuff a burrito with? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to make some of those videos for you. And if you enjoy videos like these, make sure to click on that red subscribe button. A new recipe video comes out every single week. See you next time.